Alright guys, this is my 50-inch Casablanca Panama5 ceiling fan. I got this at Fanimation for $25 from Brian Fanafan17. Very cool guy. You guys probably all know who he is, but if you don't, go check out his channel. It's Brian Fanafan17. You should go check it out. He's a really cool guy. He gave this, I want to say complete, because it did not come with the handkerchief, crossbar, hatch, or screws. But it also had light fitters on the original. It's a Harbor Breeze light fitter I got at Lowe's. But it looks well in there, so I'm gonna keep it on there. I might be getting a brass K4S, but who knows? Alright, here's just a little power. It's flick mode, so light comes on already. So demonstrate real quick. See, like I'm not pressing the fan button. But we don't need to run that right now. I'll probably make a separate video of me demonstrating flick mode. Alright, let's turn it on. Wow, there's speed 1. Oh, I'm an idiot, I turned it off. Yeah, turn on the slant just to see that it makes the lighting any better, because it is kind of dark on camera. And that doesn't really do much. Yeah, just turn the camera brightness up. There we go. I'm sorry, I'm just messing with the brightness here. This tag is from 87. I already said that, but whatever. Let's do speed 2. Not really much to say about speed 2. Typical. I guess it's like your low speed on like a newer builder fan. Speed 3. Because it's halfway. I'll show the light. My camera will focus. There we go. Speed 4. And do that kind of slow. I don't want to accidentally reverse it. Speed 5. No, it's really cranking some air. And speed 6. This thing moves a ton of air. Probably because that's a K55 and also that steep 14-degree blade pitch. Alright. Here, I can demonstrate demo mode real quick. Just like my camera sometimes, it likes to crash, so if I randomly stop recording, you'll know why. I don't know if they're re-recording this. Alright. Okay, that didn't do that right. Let's try that again. Alright. Power. There we go. Yeah, I'll just stop it just to give like the tree start up. Light dims up to full intensity. Stops at speed 3 for a second. Goes up, here, over here. Speeding goes up to speed 6. Obviously cranking in, the light dims down a little bit. I'm using an incandescent, so you don't have the yellow beam. I'll be using a wrong bulb. And reverses, goes up to speed 6. Now I'm feeling the air over here. It reverses. And shuts off. Light shuts off. I'll stop it. And a little tone will be made announcing the completion of the demo mode sequence. You'll hear it. Alright, sorry, let's hit power again. I don't want to do it again. So yeah, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And also I'll probably make a separate video on me operating Flick Mode and also operating other Teletouch programs. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.